walked outside to leave for work, and first thing I do today is crack the screen on the camera that I'm using right now. Not how I wanted to start my day. I can't get over it. Look how freaking wide that thing is. Mwah. So I got good news and bad news. Today at work got crazy busy, so I wasn't really able to film much at work, which is fine. But like I said, I got good news and bad news. More good news than bad. Anyway, good news, well, let's start with the bad news. Bad news is the grill did not come in for the Tahoe today like we had hoped for. The delivery, it got rescheduled for tomorrow, unfortunately. But we do have we have some lights going in the Tahoe, not the demonized that we already did. If you guys missed that video, go check out yesterday's video. Some lights going in the Tahoe and a new grill tomorrow. But today, the good thing about this channel right now is we've got so much going on that we've got awesome content, dropping bangers every day at 8 o'clock. We're gonna put the headlights into the truck today. That's the plan. So I'm gonna run inside, I'm gonna go grab the headlights, and let's knock out this install within like what, 30-45 minutes. Let's keep me on a time schedule. Let the clock start now. All right, here's the plan. For those of you that don't know, obviously I have the stock cleared side marker headlights in my truck. A good friend of mine and a subscriber to the channel sent me these the other day. Actually, sorry, I think they're backwards. Sent me these the other day, and we're gonna put them on the truck today. That's our plan. For those of you that don't remember, a long time ago on the channel, I had these same exact headlights, just with the chrome inside and not the black. And I had always wondered what it would look like on my truck. Well, today, thanks to Mr. Ashley from South Georgia, we now get to see what the truck will look like with the black Anzo headlights. Honestly, I kind of miss these lights already. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I guess let's go ahead and throw these suckers in there. I guess this is the left side. Left side, going on. First little look at the new headlights. I don't know, that might look all right. I don't know. First look with the new headlights. Just got done getting my thumbnail for the video. I don't know. That's definitely gonna be a different look. Definitely gonna be different than what was on there. I don't know how I'm gonna feel because I'm so used to having like chrome and color, like similar colors here, but having this contrast right here, I think it's gonna make a huge difference in the way that it looks. So I'm worried, but I'm excited at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it all back together and then let you guys get a look at the finished product. And a finished product. What do you guys think? Again, huge shout out to Ashley for sending these to me. What do you think? Obviously, somebody had already commented this on the channel, and I definitely agree. If I was gonna keep these, I would need a black grill. Definitely need a black grill. But I think for now, maybe for a couple of days, I don't know. Everything works. Obviously, these are these are plug and play just like the other ones are. Everything works. Look at that. Ooh. Obviously, if I was gonna keep these long term, I would put some LED bulbs in there. Now, to refresh your memory, the reason I got rid of these in the first place, the chrome ones that I had, was because Christina had bought me some lighting TRENDZ color changing bulbs to go into the chrome replicas that I had of those, and they wouldn't fit. So the obvious choice was to sell those, buy some more stock ones, and I'd always wanted the clear lenses, so that's what I bought this time. A lot of you are gonna ask me, I'm gonna answer 2 questions right now so you guys can stop asking this question on Instagram. I get this question at least 3 or 4 times a day, it seems like. 1, no, you cannot have the lights that just came out of the truck because there's a good chance those are gonna end up back in the truck because nobody can find them anywhere. Those are like one of a kind at this point. And 2, I don't know where you can find them. I went on Google, literally, I Googled 2014 Silverado clear headlight housings. I found them on some third-party website. I ordered them for 200 bucks. They were at my door in a week, and after that, I've never been able to find them again. I've tried to help other people find them. Other people have tried to find them. It's like they fell off the face of the earth. So 1, I don't know where to find them, so stop asking. And 2, no, you cannot have these. That is a definite no. So I want to give you guys an idea of what the lights look like at night. Obviously it's not dark out, but it's dark enough to where y'all can actually see the full effect of the lights. I don't know. I don't think that the dark color really goes with the scheme of the truck. I think the lights that I have on the truck currently, not these, but the cleared lenses, I think is perfect for the truck. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love these headlights, but I don't think they go with the look of the truck. Now, as far as quality of the lights go, they're both aftermarket headlights. They both don't exactly line up with the body lines. They have their little imperfections. The wiring isn't stock, obviously, so it's gonna have its little imperfections. I think overall, they've got about the same quality. EXZACT makes a great light, which is the darker colored lights. And then obviously it's some third-party off-brand that makes the cleared lenses. I have no idea who makes those. Either way, you're gonna have your ups and downs as far as aftermarket headlights. I really wish that mine had some kind of halo or LED running light like these do. If I could combine the two, that would make me the happiest. But I mean, obviously, without spending a bunch of money, you're not gonna have exactly what you want. Again, huge shout out to Ashley for sending me some headlights. I'll probably keep these on the truck for a couple of days. Get your opinions, let me know what you guys think about the headlights. Should I keep the old ones? Should I put these on? I don't know, you know, let me know in the comments what you think. But we're definitely switching stuff up with the truck. Unfortunately, today was supposed to be a Tahoe day, but we ended up having fun with the truck. Again, thank you to Ashley. But tomorrow, we got some good Tahoe content coming for you guys. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of the new headlights. I will see you guys tomorrow. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.